Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about the orientation of IELTS. What is IELTS? Who conduct IELTS? And the type of IELTS. We will discuss in that session. Let's start. What is IELTS? IELTS stands for the International English Language Testing System, which is an exam designed by the Cambridge University to test the English language proficiency of candidates. The result is declared on the 13th day after the exam, and the test is valid for 2 years from the test date. Who conduct IELTS? IELTS is jointly managed by IDP and the British Council. The International Development Programme or IDP has its headquarters in Melbourne, Australia, while the British Council is a UK based organization. However, the primary purpose of both these organizations is to conduct the IELTS exam in the various nations. All IELTS tests will be shortly delivered by IDP in India. Type of IELTS. There are two types of his exam. Academic IELTS for students who want to apply for higher studies in an English speaking nation. General IELTS for people who wish to apply for permanent residency or work visa in a country where English is a primary language. Module of exam. The candidates are tested on their skills in all four ways of communication, which are writing, listening, reading, and speaking. What is the evaluation method in IELTS? Students are evaluated on the band scale of 0 to 9. These bands are given separately for each module, which are combined to form an overall band score. What is order to IELTS exam? The writing, listening, and reading tests are conducted on the same day and in the same sequence. However, any date up to 1 week before and after the other three modules can be selected for the speaking test. What is the format of IELTS? The format of academic and general IELTS is different for the reading and writing session, but same for the listening and the speaking session. First, writing. Task 1 20 minutes. Word limit minimum 150 words. Report writing in academic test and letter writing in general test. Task 2 40 minutes. Word limits minimum 250 words. Essay writing in both academic test and general test. Total time 60 minutes. Note: there is no rule that candidates must spend mentioned time on the both tasks, as it is totally up to them how they manage their time. However, the only requirement is to complete both tasks within 1 hour. Second, listening. 4 parts within 10 questions each. Total question 40. Time 30 minutes plus 10 minutes for transferring answer in the answer sheet. Total time 14 minutes. Third, reading. 3 long passage in academic test and 4 to 5 short passage in general test. Number of question 40 in both tests. Time allowed 60 minutes in both tests. Total time 60 minutes. Note: no extra time will be given to transfer answer on the answer sheet. For speaking, 3 parts. Introduction 3 to 4 minutes. Cue card 2 to 3 minutes. Follow up 7 to 8 minutes. Total time 11 to 14 minutes. Hence, the length of the IELTS test is 60 plus 60 plus 40 plus 14, 2 hours 44 minutes approximately.